not knowing the way. Now standing together, we're stronger today. A spark turned to fire, a step into light. Guided by lions, we rise and we shine. We rise as one, we shine as one, with courage bright like the sun. Through every step, side by side, with Leo hearts, we lead with pride. Guided by lions, we learn and we grow, serving with passion in all that we do. Together strong, we've just begun. We are Leos, we rise as one.
We serve.
In Cabana Leadership Camp, I learned a lot of leadership skills, like how to talk in front of everyone, just like what I'm doing right now.
An activity that I joined today, which is a food collection at supermarket. Through this activity, I got to reach out to talk and communicate with the vendors at the market.
I feel very proud to be a Leo. I feel like Leo is like a big family where everyone is very kind and supportive.
I had been doing Leo activities ever since club was chartered because my father is a past president and he has invited me to join like a lot of activities. Being a Leo has given me more discipline and also I have more things to do now. But I feel happy to be a Leo.
One of the reasons why I joined the Leo Club was because I heard that they can give back to the community. And I've always wanted to do so because I think that I have been given countless opportunities and many don't. So I think that the best way for me to do this is through Leo Club.
Through service and care, through all that we do, with wisdom and guidance.
I believe as you stand here this afternoon, you are pledging your commitment to be there for the society, to be there for your club, to be there for each other.
Together we can achieve much more. Once again, congratulations to all the new members. I look forward to see each of you grow and shine as future leaders.
We follow what's true, from small acts of love to big dreams we chase. We're making.
On behalf of the Leo Club, I would like to extend our heartfelt thanks to everybody who made today's event possible, to all those who attended today, and to our new members who have been inducted. Welcome to the Leo family. Once again, I cannot stress this enough. Thank you for being a part of today's success. Thank you.